New 200-watt laser spot welding machine. The machine has a high degree of integration and a very compact body size. The quality of the sheet metal is very good and the appearance is exquisite. 10x HD microscope. Body details do very well. Three new features. First, the built-in CCD is integrated with the HD high-definition display. Welding 925 silver, the welding effect is very good, and the welding is very firm. High-definition display from the microscope. Press the button to automatically pump water. When the internal water tank is full, it will automatically stop pumping, and then press the automatic pumping button again to complete the pumping. Third, 5 languages operating system: Chinese, English, Korean, Turkish, Arabic. Specially used for jewelry processing and the repair of precision instruments. The welding effect is perfect.